I made an extra $8,000 last month on Instagram, all while traveling from Toronto to Miami to LA just from posting simple 60-second videos. And in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how you could do the same thing without any experience, without showing your face or spending any money. And just to be clear, it's not just me that's using Instagram to print cash. I've also helped people like Connor, a college student, make $12,000 last month.
I made just over $12,000.
AJ hit over $20,000 in 1 month. All right, AJ, how much did you make in the last 30 days?
For the last 30 days, 16K USD, which is about 25K Canadian.
And Lerwin go from $0 to $7,000 per month in just 5 months. And he started from zero. I'm telling you, zero. And if you don't believe me, there are literal interviews of them on my channel. So now I'm pulling back the curtain and showing you exactly how we make our money on Instagram. No gatekeeping, because here's the thing. Everyone is playing guessing games when it comes to going viral on social media. Meanwhile, I've reverse engineered the exact patterns that make videos explode consistently. Not only will I show you how to get views like these, but I'll show you exactly how to monetize them and make 10K a month as a complete beginner. Let's talk about monetization methods. There are a few ways to get paid on Instagram, but these are the 2 easiest. Number 1 is paid as an affiliate. Or in other words, selling other people's products and getting a cut. Think of Instagram as like a massive shopping mall, and you're like a personal shopper with your own storefront window. When somebody walks by your window, or in other words, sees your reel, you show them the coolest products and tell them why they need it. And your window can be seen by millions of people worldwide 24/7. You know how car people get paid when they sell their car? You're doing the exact same thing, but instead of standing in a car lot, you're creating videos that showcase products people actually want. The second way of getting paid is called paid for views, also known as clipping. Now, you can do this for influencers. I'm sure you've seen clips like these before, or you can do this for massive companies. But just to simplify it, let me explain this in the terms of influencers. Think about it like this. Movies often have 30-second trailers which will make you want to watch the whole 2-hour movie, and online influencers are the exact same. They make money from getting people to watch their full videos, and the best way to do that is to post short-form clips that go viral. Think of yourself as like a highlight reel creator, or in other words, a clipper. Influencers will pay you for clipping up their content and making it go viral. In other words, they're gonna pay you for the views that you get. Let's jump into my laptop and I'll show you exactly how it works. Now, the first thing that you're gonna wanna do is go to wap.com. Once we're here, we're gonna wanna click Discover on the left-hand side. And then on the top left, click Explore, and then you're gonna wanna hit See All Content Rewards. Now that you're here, there's gonna be a lot of paid for views opportunities, and some of these are for influencers. So if you click on category and then hit something like entertainment, you're gonna see a bunch of influencers that are paying you to clip up their content. And as you can see, some of these campaigns already paid out tens of thousands of dollars. So if we jump in one of these campaigns, for example, Noah Dannenhauer, click on him, we click join. And then once we're in, what we can actually see is on the top right, there's a leaderboard button. Then we can filter this out by money earned. And we'll see that there's people literally making thousands of dollars in here. And this is all for clipping up his content. Now, if you wanted to clip his content and get paid, all you would have to do is, like I said, join his community. Then on the left panel here, if we click on content rewards, we're gonna see 2 campaigns, one for $1.50 per 1,000 views and one for $1 per 1,000 views. Let's click on the $1.50, and what we see is a couple things. Number 1, we see the requirements. As you can see, vids must be submitted within 1 hour of posting. So once you post on either Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, you're gonna want to make sure that you submit it in here. Click on the button on the bottom right, submit the video, upload the media, and then you're gonna be getting paid for views. Now you're probably asking yourself, where do I actually get these clips? Well, lucky for you, they actually provide you with a Google Drive of all his most famous or most engaging clips. So all you have to do is download those clips and edit them, put some engaging text or music over it. Now, what's really insane about this is that since people are already making money by clipping his content, all you have to do is find the accounts that are currently going viral and copy them. So if you go on Instagram and you type in something like hashtag Noah Dannenhauer or hashtag Noah Clips, you should be able to find a bunch of accounts and clips on Instagram and on TikTok. And pretty much all you have to do is recreate that video with different text, different music, so that it appears new on the platforms. And generally, if it went viral once, it should go viral again. And if you're wondering how the payment works, like I said, you're gonna submit the video. After you submit the video, you're gonna see a dashboard that looks like this. So as you can see, this video got 200,000 views. I earned $700 for that. This video got 160,000 views. I earned about $600 for that. And if I scroll through, you'll see I'm earning pretty much every single video that I post. Now that I showed you an example of how the paid for views model works, I also want to show you an example of how the paid as an affiliate works. So this page right here, this is actually Connor's page. He started it completely faceless, but now he's comfortable and he's showing his face on the page. Now, funny enough, at the beginning of this video, I said Connor made $12,000 last month, and this is the page he actually made the money from. Now, he's getting paid as an affiliate, but he's also getting paid for the views in his content. And that's all because of the paid for views model. So this page is actually doing the hybrid approach, making him 2 times the amount of money. As you can see, the niche of this page is in the make money online space. So if you have time, definitely go over his page later and you'll see that all the content he posts talks about make money online with content. Now, what you'll notice about the content on this page, specifically the reels, is every single piece of content talks about make money online with content. And the reason why is because the messaging targets certain audiences. So if you're talking about make money online with content, your content will be shown to that audience that will be interested in the niche. And that's very important because you want to develop a high intent audience, meaning views doesn't equal cash. You have to make sure you're getting the right views. So now that he's developing this high intent audience, he can actually sell something related to what they're interested in. And lo and behold, he is selling a make money online with content course. So that's directly correlated to the content that he's posting. And that's why he's able to make so much. Now, he's also doing the paid for views model. But be aware, if you have a page in the make money online with content space, you don't want to move out of that niche if you're doing paid for views as well. So when he was looking for a paid for views opportunity, he had to make sure that he found an opportunity that aligned with the messaging that was already in his content and his page niche. So he noticed that WAP itself is a make money online platform, and they had a campaign that they were paying $3.5 per 1,000 views for. So he hopped on it, he talked about WAP in all of his content, submitted those videos, and made extra money every single day on repeat. Next step, let's talk about going viral. Now, going viral on Instagram is easier than it seems, so let me break it down. The main thing to remember here is do not try to be 100% original. I know it sounds crazy, but the fastest path to millions of views is finding what already worked and doing that again. Now, the reason why we want to do that is because we want to treat Instagram as like this database. We already know what's working, so why are we not using the data that we have to make our decisions in what type of content to make in our niche? So here's what you want to do. Number one, you want to find competitors with the most viral content in your niche. Now, there's an important key thing here that you have to follow, and you have to make sure that they're going viral right now, meaning they went viral in like the last 30 to 90 days. Because if you look at a page and they went viral years ago, well, that content might not work today. So you have to make sure they're going viral today. After you found your competitors, you have to make sure that you're analyzing what made it work. Was it the hook? Was it the format? Was it the timing? Was it the controversy? These are all important questions to answer. Next, you're gonna wanna recreate it with your own spin. After you recreate it, you're gonna post it and hopefully collect the same viral results. Now, since that went viral, you're gonna get paid. And you're gonna get paid with one of the 2 methods I mentioned earlier. So going back to our Noah Dannenhauer example, if we were clipping for him, what we would wanna do is see what clips went viral already. So again, go on Instagram, type in the hashtags, find the most viral videos, and then get the raw clips and re-edit them. Once you do that, all you have to do is post them, and there we go. Another example is with Connor. What you'll see with Connor's page versus my page is that he uses very similar scripts to me, and he also uses my B-roll sometimes. So he's literally doing what is working and recreating it. It's that simple. Okay, so here is your quick game plan. If you follow this exactly, you have a chance to make money in your bank account in the next 2 weeks. Here's what to do. Number one, watch the free Instagram automation course on this channel. In this channel, I break down literally everything in microscopic detail. This includes step 1, which is picking your niche, which could be any one of these. Then deciding if you want to become an affiliate or a content clipper. Step 2, which is finding competitors with millions of views and recreating their content. Step 3, which is signing up for affiliate programs or WAP opportunities to start earning when the views come in. And step 4, which is posting like crazy and uploading every single day. That's it. And most people, if they follow the right framework, will hit their first viral post within 10 to 15 attempts. One viral post can generate you $500 to $3,000. I see it over and over again. All you have to do is do what works, post consistently, and collect your check. But if you want the full system where I break down everything even further, my 1 hour masterclass is on the screen right now, and you could watch that next. Peace.